Before you place your next trade, watch this. Hi, I'm Francois de Plessis, market analyst for ATFX Africa, and this is your daily market brief brought to you by the best Forex broker in Africa. So without further ado, let's get into what is happening within the markets today. Gold is currently hovering around that 60,000 Rand an ounce level as traders are awaiting clarity on the US and China trade deal, as well as uncertainty that is building towards tomorrow's NFP report. Gold is currently hovering around that 60,000 Rand an ounce level as traders are awaiting clarity. The euro has dipped slightly ahead of today's ECB rate cut decision. The euro has dipped slightly, and the S&P 500 is currently trading sideways as weak job data is currently fueling rate cut bets. And the S&P 500, as well as uncertainty around Trump's tariff agenda, is growing. That being said, let's get into the charts and let's kick things off with Euro USD. So as you can see on your chart at the moment, Euro USD is currently trading around that 1.14 level, slightly lower ahead of that potential ECB rate cut decision that is going to be taking place later today. Mixed fundamentals such as the dovish ECB as well as weak US data is keeping this pair currently a bit more range bound, as you can see here at the moment. Now, the overall outlook here at the moment is if we get positive data from the ECB later today, as that could potentially see us break above this resistance level, and a nice clean break above, I would say, 1.144 could potentially lead to a rally all the way up to this level here around 1.154. Now, if the data disappoints, we could potentially see it just range between this level sitting here at 1.143 and the support level around 1.136. Again, traders, please bear in mind that before tomorrow's NFP data, not much will most probably happen on this specific pair. Moving over to XAU ZAR. Now, as I stated earlier, gold is currently trading around that 60,000 Rand an ounce and is struggling to reclaim that 60,500 Rand an ounce level. Now, again, there are a lot of factors playing into this at the moment. We have the dollar that's playing a factor in this. We have the UK and Russia geopolitical situation that is escalating at the moment, especially with the drone attack that took place yesterday on Russia. And this is all adding on to this at the moment, but we are also experiencing a bit of a stronger rand, which is keeping this pair a little bit more range bound at the moment. But that is creating some fantastic opportunities because of the fact that should we see a break in either direction, that could potentially lead to a rally all the way up to maybe even 60,800. Or if everything on the geopolitical side maybe calms down a little bit, we could even potentially see a retracement back down to this level here around 59,500. Finishing things off for today with the S&P 500. Now, as I stated earlier, the S&P 500 is currently trading flat around that 5,965 level as traders are still digesting that soft job data that we experienced yesterday, as well as all the uncertainty regarding Trump's tariff hikes. Now, yesterday's ADP job data came in well below expectation, and this is creating a lot of concern, especially going into NFP tomorrow, which, by the way, I will be analyzing live with each and every one of you, so please join me for that session tomorrow as well. The tech sector, however, is continuing to support all indices right now. As we saw, Nvidia is up another 2.8%, Broadcom is at record highs, so that could actually lead to a little bit of concern. Now, firstly, if we get good job data tomorrow, this specific index could just rally to new heights, maybe even heading to around that 6,100 level. But if job data disappoints, as well as the current tech stocks that is keeping this index elevated, in my opinion, at the moment, if those start dropping, we could see significant pullbacks, maybe even all the way down to 5,850. So traders, please stay on your toes on this one. Keep a close lookout on the market at the moment, because of the fact that there are some great opportunities if you know when and what to react upon. Now, as always, I do hope this market brief helped you, and please do your own analysis as well. Apply proper risk management to each and every one of your trades. And this market brief was brought to you by Africa's best Forex broker. If you want to experience the difference for yourself, head over to ATFX.com and go have a look at what is on offering over there. See you tomorrow.